Laozi, which means old master, is a bit of a mystery. We think he lived in ancient China a really long time ago, maybe around the 6th century BC. Some people believe he was very wise, while others think he might be just a legend. But one thing is certain. He is known for writing the Tao Te Ching, a very important book in Taoism. This book is like a collection of poems about living in harmony with the Tao, which is like the natural way of the universe. The Tao Te Ching isn't a book of strict rules. It's more like a guide to understanding how things really are. Laozi encourages us to look at the world around us and notice how everything is connected. Imagine the Tao as a path or a way. It's the starting point of everything, but it's also not any one thing in particular. It's the force that controls everything in the universe, like the ups and downs of life. Laozi says that the Tao is too big for us to fully understand, but we can experience it by observing nature. One of the main ideas in the Tao Te Ching is yin and yang. Yin is like the feminine side, representing calmness and openness. Yang is like the masculine side, representing action and creativity. Laozi says these two forces aren't opposites, but rather work together, like two sides of the same coin. They're always interacting and keeping things balanced. Another important idea is wu wei, which means effortless action. It doesn't mean doing nothing at all. It means we should act in a way that's natural and in tune with the world around us. What's amazing is that the teachings of the Tao Te Ching actually make sense when we look at modern science. The idea of the Tao being a guiding principle in the universe is similar to how scientists search for the fundamental laws of physics. These laws, like the Tao, control how everything behaves, from tiny particles to giant galaxies. Quantum mechanics, a branch of science that studies very small things, shows us a reality that's stranger than we could imagine. Tiny particles can be in multiple states at once, and just by observing them, we can change their behavior. This sounds a lot like the Taoist idea of the observer and the observed being connected. The idea of yin and yang is also reflected in scientific principles like duality. For example, light can act like both a wave and a particle. This duality is a key part of what makes light, light. We see this interplay of opposing forces in biology too, where ecosystems maintain balance through the interaction of different elements. In a world that often feels messy and unpredictable, the Tao Te Ching gives us timeless wisdom. It reminds us to try to live in harmony with the natural way of things and to appreciate how everything is connected. By understanding and following the Tao, we can live more balanced and fulfilling lives. The Tao Te Ching doesn't give us all the answers, but it gives us a way to understand the universe and our place in it. It's a book you can come back to again and again throughout your life, and each time you read it, you might discover something new. The Tao Te Ching shows us the power of observation, reflection, and searching for harmony. Its teachings are just as important today as they were centuries ago, offering us a way to navigate the challenges of life and reminding us of the interconnectedness of everything in our vast and mysterious universe.